Your Android phone will usually rotate the screen automatically when you turn your device, but there's a couple of easy ways to control when and how this happens, including a hidden trick that most people don't know about. So the most basic control over this is through your quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner and look for the auto rotate button. You can tap it to turn it off, and your phone will lock in the current orientation. Now that my phone has a locked orientation, the screen won't rotate anymore. This works for both orientations. If I have my phone in a landscape mode like this, I can then bring up the quick settings and lock my phone into landscape mode. Now everything stays in landscape mode even when I turn my phone in a vertical position. Just keep in mind that not all apps support landscape mode. One of my favorite hidden tricks is the ability to rotate the screen temporarily, even when the orientation is locked. Let's say I'm locked in this orientation right here, but I want to quickly look at something in landscape mode, and I do not want to go through the hassle of changing the setting. When I rotate my phone, a tiny rotation button appears in the bottom right corner. I can tap that to give my phone a one-time permission to rotate the screen. This is basically a manual override you can use to keep your phone's orientation locked, but allowing you to quickly view a photo, video, or a website in a different orientation. The button is pretty small and it goes away quickly if you don't touch it, so you kind of have to be aware and be ready to tap it when it appears. You can also set your phone to rotate both the home screen and the lock screen. By default, those are both locked and they don't rotate when you turn your phone, but there's a sort of a hidden setting that allows us to change this. Let's hop to the quick settings again and look for the rotation button. This time, instead of tapping it, you're going to tap and hold and a larger menu will open. Turn on auto rotate and then choose if you'd like your home screen, lock screen, or voice call screen to rotate as well. Tap Done, and now your home screen and lock screen will rotate just like they would on a larger tablet. And that's how you can fully control the screen rotation on your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more cool guides like this.